So guys, in front of me is the S&P 500 futures chart, and as you can see, for the final session of the week here on Friday, we haven't really done much. We're trading in the green ever so slightly at 3,567, so we're trading just below the all-time high here of roughly 3,600 here. So very boring week really in the S&P 500. We've kind of just drifted sideways, creating a platform. But if you look at the medium to longer term picture, this is actually very encouraging. You know, we built a platform where we're just building up enough momentum and waiting for that catalyst, which will then send us back into all-time high territory. And you know, this platform is pretty much just below all-time highs. So if you look at where we're currently at, this is very encouraging if you are a S&P 500 bull. I would not want to be shorting this market. Last night we got some very encouraging news, out of Washington, and that is that the Democrats and the Republicans have continued their talks with regards to the second stimulus deal. So the negotiations are continuing. So that's very, very encouraging news indeed, especially for the value stocks. You know, if there is a massive second stimulus deal, that will heavily benefit the value stocks, the likes of the airlines, for example. There's expected to be a massive aid bill for the airlines. So the S&P 500 will perform very well once we do get that news. So from a fundamental perspective, the S&P 500 is looking good. We've got vaccines on their way. You know, there's news out of America today that people are going to start to get vaccinated within 8 weeks, which is incredible. It's a great turnaround, you know, just considering the fact that we received this news from Pfizer last week. And, you know, Moderna, we got the news on Monday. So, you know, it's really, really good, positive news with regards to the vaccines for the coronavirus. And of course, we're going to get some more fiscal aid with that second stimulus deal. So from a fundamental perspective, we're looking very good. Technical perspective, we're looking even better. As I mentioned, we've just formed a platform pretty much at all-time highs. We're trading well above the 50-day EMA, well above the 200-day EMA, and the RSI has drifted away from that overbought territory as we are now below 60. So going into Monday next week, I'm looking to see whether we can target back towards the all-time highs, which is last Monday, where we formed that horrific looking shooting star candlestick. So going into Monday, I'm looking to see whether we can return trading back within this blue rectangle and try and target at 3,660 area. If we can break above there, then I think we go towards 3,800. So for that reason, I'm a buyer of the S&P 500. I have no interest in selling this index whatsoever.
You